The ultra-modern market is finally here at Ugwuogo Nike, Enugu State. Ugwuogo Nike is one of the fastest developing area in Enugu because of this market, and it will bring a lot of development to this area. So whether you're a first-time buyer or you're an experienced investor, this is the next place for you to invest in today. Okay, now in this location we have Monic Estate, which is 2 minutes drive from the market, and it is also on the major road of Ugwuogo Nike. It is selling for 3 million naira, and there is Divine Acres phase 1 and phase 2, which is also close to the market. Okay, now it is selling on a promo price of 3.5 million naira and 2.5 million naira. It will be going back to the normal price, which is 5 million naira and 3.5 million naira by January. Okay, then there is also Golden Gate, which is selling for 2.5 million naira, and we have Destiny Layouts, which is selling for 1.5 million naira. Okay, note that this market is going to bring a lot of development in those areas, and soon the value of properties will increase. Okay, odogu woke, odogu wine, aso odogu, ijelendi igbo. Now is the time for you to invest. Now that you still have the chance to buy while it's affordable, what is stopping you? What are you waiting for to buy? Call me now or WhatsApp me on the number that is displayed on the screen, 09135032736, to secure your plots today. Don't forget, we are still running our Ember promo gift sales this Christmas period, and we just have 30 days left. Okay, happy new month and have a fruitful and amazing Christmas.